The Daily Scrum is one of the most well-known yet most misunderstood events in Scrum. For many teams, it has been reduced to a status update meeting where developers report progress to a Scrum Master or product owner. Others treat it as a rigid three-question ritual that feels like an obligation, rather than an enabler of agility. But here's the reality. The Daily Scrum is not about reporting work. It's about planning work. It's a chance for developers to inspect progress toward the sprint goal and adapt their plan accordingly. So why do so many teams misuse it? It's time to clear up the misconceptions. Let's debunk the biggest myths about the Daily Scrum. Myth 1. The Daily Scrum is a status update meeting. Reality. The Daily Scrum is a planning event, not a reporting session. Developers synchronize their work, discuss progress toward the sprint goal, and decide how to adjust their plan for the next 24 hours. The Scrum Master and product owner do not collect updates. Their presence is optional, unless they are actively working as developers. The focus is on team collaboration, not individual accountability. Myth 2. The three questions must always be used. Reality. Scrum does not mandate the three questions. Developers can structure the Daily Scrum however they see fit, as long as it helps them inspect and adapt toward the sprint goal. They might use task boards, burn-down charts, flow-based discussions, or any technique that enhances transparency and alignment. The key outcome? An actionable plan, not just answering a script. Myth 3. The Scrum Master must run the Daily Scrum. Reality. The developers run the Daily Scrum, not necessarily the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master ensures that the event happens and stays time-boxed to 15 minutes. But they only facilitate if needed or explicitly requested. This is a self-managing event, not a Scrum Master-led meeting. Myth 4. Impediments must be solved during the Daily Scrum. Reality. The Daily Scrum is not a problem-solving meeting. If an issue is identified, it's handled by the relevant subgroup after the meeting. Problems should be tackled as needed, not just during the Daily Scrum. Myth 5. The Daily Scrum is the only time developers can adapt the plan. Reality. The plan is not locked in after the Daily Scrum. Developers adjust their work throughout the day. The Daily Scrum ensures alignment at least once daily. Additional discussions and replanning should happen whenever necessary. The real purpose of the Daily Scrum helps developers align on progress toward the sprint goal, encourages self-management and adaptation, eliminates unnecessary meetings by ensuring frequent collaboration, provides a structured, time-boxed event to synchronize work. The future of the Daily Scrum in an AI-powered world. AI may help with progress visualization, backlog insights, and automation, but it cannot replace team discussions and collaboration, adapt to real-world complexities and decision-making nuances, foster accountability and team ownership. Rethink Scrum is about understanding Scrum beyond the surface. What's the biggest misconception you've seen about the Daily Scrum? If you like my content and want to explore Scrum further, look me up on LinkedIn or Instagram.